to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Alright, y'all, we're back on the 87. I know y'all wondering why y'all seeing it again. Y'all can recall I did the canvas top on it, my last video. But the owner, he wasn't satisfied. Not with the quality or nothing like that. He just wasn't liking the color because he was thinking it was going to be a darker color that matches his interior. So we're going to have to redo this top. If the customer ain't satisfied, SprayWay ain't satisfied. But I'm not gonna show y'all the whole process because if y'all wanna see it, y'all can go back when I did the top, did this color. But he done brought me the material, so we gonna take it out and I'm gonna show you the color difference for us. This color and the color that he was wanting. Because he gonna get his interior redid, it's gonna be somewhat that color there. It's a little darker. But he wasn't satisfied with the color because he said once he seen the video, it looked more redder than what he was expecting. So we're gonna redo it. Let me get this canvas out and I'll show you the color. Here we go. I hope y'all can see it, the difference. See, this the color he was actually looking for. There ain't that much difference, but it's a difference. So I'll take y'all somewhat along the trip with me doing this. I'll probably cut you back on when I take this top off. We also got to replace the Landau foam, so it's going to be the whole process like we did this one here. But we got to do it, we got to do it. Here we go. Here's the final results with the top switch, color switch. French seam. Y'all tell me what y'all think. As far as the color, he wanted a darker color, so that's what he got.
We never stop.